Life under quarantine, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning back into the vlog. Thank y'all for, you know what I'm saying, clicking on this video. If y'all haven't already, if y'all new to the channel, please scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what y'all think of these videos I'll be dropping by just simply, you know, leaving a comment down below and give me a little interaction. Right now it's, what is it today? Tuesday, 5:30 in the evening. Right now, walking to Albertsons, about to get something to eat, to cook. Of course, I'm in the mood, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, or if y'all some OG subscribers, y'all know that I be cooking it up on the channel. Hold on, Malik. Give me your hand. So, y'all, like I said, man, I'm here chilling with my boy right now, Malik. Say hi, Malik. Say hi. And then, yeah, man, stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. And I'm going to show y'all how to make
some chicken.
All right, y'all. So we here at the store. Malik chilling back there. About to get some chicken. About to get all the essentials that we need to cook dinner tonight. And, yeah. Let's see what Albertsons have to offer. I figured since he looking just as handsome as his dad, I might as well throw him in the vlog. Huh, Malik? Say yes, indeed.
Dad.
What?
No, Dad.
What'd you say? Hmm? So this little boy love touching stuff. Look. All right, y'all. So we just left. Albertsons. About to head to the crib right now. He said, "No, don't record me."
No.
I ain't gonna lie to nothing or nobody. It's motherfucking hot. It's fucking hot. Alright, y'all, so we're back at the crib. I'm gonna show y'all.
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright, so right now we're about to make some barbecue baked chicken with some scalloped potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and some mashed potatoes. Don't have to make it the way I'm about to make it, but hey, I do make it the best way. Alright, for those of y'all who don't know how to clean chicken the right way, what you gotta do is boil some water, put some of that in the chicken. That's how you clean chicken.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep it for.
Oh, you making some chicken. Wow.
Not just any chicken.
I like chicken.
I'm not making just any chicken though. You don't want to over season it now. Alright, check it out though. I'm gonna cook this on, let's say 400, but I'm gonna preheat the oven to, which the oven should already be preheated. I'm gonna cook this on, 400. Is that the highest this oven goes? Are you serious? Oh, hell no, yeah. So I'm gonna preheat it all the way up to high just so it can get hot faster. And then I'm gonna turn it back down to about 375, 400. just gonna put this up in here a little bit, just till the oven get a little warm. Let this marinate a little bit.
My nigga.
All right, y'all. So while everything's cooking right now, what? Everything's cooking right now. Not everything, just chicken. We got in the oven at 375. Probably gonna take about an hour and a half, and probably no longer than 2 hours to cook. Malik, man, I'm vlogging right now, man. It's a quarantine vlog, episode 4. Why you tripping, bruh? Damn. But yeah, man, hope the audio was good on those last sequences, because, you know, we was in the living room, which is close to the kitchen, and, you know, loud music and loud everything. So I'm about to take them outside right now, just chill for a little bit, catch a cool little vibe, and then, hey, I'm gonna bring y'all along. Look who just pulled up.
Hi, Lee. Hi, Popeyes. Come get Grandma a kiss. Fix it, Mom.
I kind of felt you coming up.
Come give me a kiss. Oh, you farting, you nasty. You farted.
Yeah, because he eating, that's why.
Give me
Eating some macaroni. What? Oh, you go. Got this sun beaming all in my face, man.
My back is right there. Do you see it? It's right there.
You in the vlog, Sophie?
There.
What? Y'all stop playing on these stairs. So it's like 300 degrees outside right now. What? Look. What'd you say?
I'll do that.
You was just whining?
No.
Yeah, you was.
It's the one.
You was whining.
No.
Downstairs, go ride your bike. Look. Go ride your bike. Go ride your bike. Yeah. You think he's grown? Malik, get over here. Malik, it's a party to you, huh? Malik, stop jumping. Malik!
Hey, he's gonna fall.
Alright, y'all, so it's starting to get a little intense in here in the kitchen. It's starting to get a little hot. So, what I'm going to do is right now, I'm going to get everything under control. And I'm going to make this right here. My first time making this right here. Oh, shit. It says pretty much to boil water and mix the sauce. So I got the sauce right here. In a pan like this, which I just washed this pan out right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that water boil and we're gonna mix it up a little bit.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh!
Something delicious. Just sound light. A little light. Eat, son. Just eat. Eat. Hold on. Let me get a bite. Go ahead, eat, son. Thank y'all for watching this video. Hope that you guys have subscribed to the channel by now. If not, make sure you scroll down, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, turn your notifications to all so you get notified every time we drop a video, y'all. So definitely more vlogs to come, you know. Malik over there sleeping, so he's gonna be waking up here shortly, and we're definitely gonna start the next vlog, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video.